I am going to make a beef ampalaya out of this beef chunk, okay? So that's gonna be my meal today. Para maiba naman. Alright. Beef ampalaya. Okay, meron pa akong natitirang ampalaya dito. So, this is what I'm going to use with my beef. Okay, so I'm just gonna saute them, and of course, along with this, I'm just going to chop them. I've just cut my beef into pieces, so right now they're ready, and of course, along with the ampalaya or bitter melon as well. Okay, I'm going to put some onions, garlic, and ginger as well along with this bitter melon. Okay, so I'm just going to saute them along with the beef, and it'll be ready. Yes. Alright, have to brown this right now, the onions, garlic, and ginger, and then after that, I'm going to put them all together. Alright, frying them now, and it will not take long because this is very tender and it has to be not overcooked. And of course, when it comes to beef, I always put some red wine in it, okay? So it gives a better taste. Alright, and of course, silver swan soy sauce. Alright, I already put the red wine and the soy sauce. So right now I'm going to put the bitter melon or ampalaya. There you go. I just have to mix them together, and that's it. It's ready right now. Alright, beef with ampalaya.
Now my beef ampalaya is just so perfect, and of course with some carrots and mangoes right on top, so it gives a little color in them. Alright, so let's have some meal right now and enjoy.